little bit bigger than the classic because of the brighter room. The windows larger as well. All the rooms we can accommodate 2 people as long as they're students, and there's additional charge of £25 per week. Communal kitchen area.
So like she invites her friend for birthday party or something, and they can cook here. Ah, okay, nice. Semua juga kid friendly. Halo semuanya, kembali lagi sama aku Riko. Kali ini aku masih ada di London dan aku mau nunjukin ke kalian ini apartemen kedua yang akan aku kunjungin dan aku mau room tour di sini. Namanya The Hive, salah satu student apartment, student accommodation yang ada di London. Ikutin yuk bagaimana kamar-kamarnya dan apa aja fasilitasnya.
And then do the video calling, just like you're doing now. So they literally took up some time.
So you the live video for Michelle.
What? Michelle?
Yeah. So you can explain it for Michelle too. So I make a video too. She started studying in September.
Yes, yes. Once we finish, I'll give you the flyer, which shows the prices and the contract as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's Chinese.
Yeah,
Many Chinese people.
Yeah, we usually have a lot of international students as well. Yes.
Yeah, she's
Asian.
still in Indonesia now.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Asik now. That's it.
Huh?
Nggak ada ini internet.
So here down.
So this is the Hive. So this is the 3rd floor.
First
so
floor.
all rooms are positioned the same up to the 5th floor, and 6th floor is the communal spaces, which I'll show you later.
Okay, okay.
Do you know what room she wanted to see?
Studio room, the big room.
Okay.
Yeah.
First floor will be the courtyard, which is the nice
Yeah.
courtyard. Okay. On first floor. So this is the studio.
Oh,
This one,
little
yeah?
bit big,
Yes,
quite
it's
big.
a little bit bigger than the classic because of the brighter room. The windows larger as well.
And the closer train station, or which one?
The overground Bethnal Green Station.
Ah, okay.
Okay. So the sound minimizes by the window as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is loud, like.
It minimizes the sound.
Yeah.
So you can't hear it, but it's just a slightly bit.
Okay. The kitchen.
Kitchen areas here.
Yeah.
Ignore this. This is just because they're gonna put.
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah. You have a dishwasher, which is
Dishwasher
under here.
also. Okay.
Okay. And then you have a
Fridge,
freezer.
okay.
Induction hob.
Yeah.
Okay. Microwave oven. Okay. Sofa. The bed is free.
This is also can for this bed.
Yeah.
If she can fit.
And this
This is
just
the
part.
television section.
Okay.
Running TV. So
Yeah.
she can connect her phone to it.
And then
Okay. More storage spaces at the top.
oh, that's nice.
Yeah?
Yes.
Runs along to the left and to
Yeah.
the right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nicely set of new desk.
Okay.
You have a light underneath
Yeah.
at night time, so you don't have to turn these ones on. Okay. And then obviously the nice view of London skyline. And
Yeah,
then-
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Skylight. And then the bathroom.
And then lastly, the bathroom is through here.
Mm.
Okay.
So okay.
And then you
A
have
lot of mirror.
another storage behind.
Oh,
the
this is a
scene.
big one. Really big.
Okay.
It's nice. So many places to.
So many things to
Yeah, okay.
storage Sorry.
And then this.
This one here will be the wardrobe.
Okay.
Once she's finished, then we can open this.
Okay.
Terus mau lihat
So wardrobe will be here.
Okay.
You wanna come and have a look?
Okay. So many places to. This one is okay.
Ya setiap itu tuh lewat lagi.
Okay, smaller than this one. Okay.
Please come through.
Ini yang studio.
Yeah, okay.
Kita sekarang yang klasik, klasik rada kecil. Klasik lebih kecil. This is studio.
This is studio, yes.
Classic is smaller.
Yes, it's slightly smaller.
Classic lebih kecil.
Classic is smaller.
I have another room type I can show you as well today. So you can just
This
have a
is
see
classic.
all the rooms type. So
It is a classic,
This is classic.
Klasik tapi
but almost the same, right?
Almost the same.
Yeah.
But it's tiny bit smaller.
And this is for a
Ini
bed.
bednya
Yes,
bisa
yes.
dilipat.
Okay.
tuh. Biasa dimasukin sini. Nah. Ini jendelanya bisa dibuka.
It's almost the same.
View-nya ini.
I think I didn't see any difference between the classic one and
It's the windows difference.
just the window.
The window bit bright.
They're bigger and brighter room.
Windownya ini kecil. Kalau yang itu kan lebih gede, nih. Oh. Ininya ini tempat tidurnya dibuka lagi, jadi lebih sempit. Ininya.
I'll
Okay.
show you different room types because I've got 4 to show today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ini hampir sama, kamar mandi sama, ini sama. Kita ada 4 kamar, mau dilihat lagi. The other one, the bigger one?
Yes, the biggest one we have, and also the second to the biggest, I can show you, which is a premium.
Yang
Just
premium
look
mau
at-
lihat gak?
Depending on obviously her budget.
Ya.
Yeah, sorry.
Is that new building?
Sorry.
Is that new building? Because I saw it's a new renov or something.
So yeah, we did have a refurbishment last year, so
Yeah.
we redecorated the rooms, yes. In terms of new building, no, it's been here for more than 5 years.
Okay. For 5 years.
Please come in.
Nah, masuk lift, ntar ada ini.
For oh.
So I can show you the second to the largest that we have in the building, and then lastly the largest one, which is the Deluxe Studio. Okay? And obviously depending on their budget, which one they would like to go for.
Ada deluxe juga ya kalau lo mau deluxe.
So 4 of 4, let me just put
4 of 4.
this ready.
Is anybody?
Hello? Oh no, it's not ready to show. I'll come back to that one. Let's do 49. The cleanest clean. The student just checked out. So this is the Deluxe Studio.
Oh wow,
This is the
this is
largest
very
room.
big.
Yeah.
Ada dari lift, tapi
So I have the
bisa
same big. So this is the biggest room we have on
Ini,
site.
ini the biggest room-nya di yang
How many person can stay here? Only one?
All the rooms we can accommodate 2 people as long as they're students,
Uh.
and there's additional charge of £25 per week.
Okay.
With obviously the fees of weekly charge for Deluxe.
Boleh tinggal 2 orang tapi bakal di charge 25 pound per week kalau ada 1 orang
Kalau
lagi.
berdua.
Ya.
Nah ini cuma bedanya ada lagi kemarin cuma 1 ya?
This ya.
Hah? Iya. Studio.
Ya.
Deluxe Studio.
Yeah, the studio is enough. The studio is too big. Then don't need to.
Okay, whichever they prefer, just show it today. Just
Yes,
show it.
thank
And then
you.
obviously you go where you decide, you look at the videos and you you already want to go.
They already
I think the
did.
first one was okay.
Yeah.
The first one, yes.
First and second one.
Is enough
The second
for
one.
example? Because I heard you say big, so this is the biggest.
And the other room you want to show us?
If it's
It's
ready
the
to show,
same like this?
it will be different. It will be the second largest after Deluxe.
Ah,
So
okay.
it's a premium studio, so it's just different, the layout. I'll see if the cleaning is finished cleaning,
Ah, okay.
and I can show you. Follow me.
Masih ada satu lagi ya kita.
Kayaknya orang pada senang di situ karena dekat kemana-mana. Kita ini ramai deh.
Bukannya mana? Ini sepi karena orang udah pada check out karena udah selesai sekolah, baru masuk lagi September.
Iya, kalau yang di itu enggak, yang pertama kali itu pakaian cuma dia punya ininya beda, apa model desainnya.
Let me just check right there.
Yeah.
Lay that piece.
Ini banyak orang enggak? Tadi sih gue bilang.
Masih dibersihin.
Okay. Ooh. That separates the bedroom. Just envision that, like having a studio, bedroom here, kitchen area. And
It's almost the same like the other one. Yeah.
Okay. I'll show you the 6th floor, and then that's it. You make your mind up from what you like to
That is
do.
also studio, the sixth floor.
No, 6th floor communal space.
Community.
Oh,
Ya.
yeah.
Kita kasih lihat komunitasnya, ininya yang kayak ada gym, ada sekolah. Kan yang waktu itu dikasih.
Oh, this nice room.
Please feel free to have a look.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah. Oh. Billiard.
On your left here we have the game section. So we've got snooker, we've got
Yeah. Okay.
and then on your right here we have the kitchen space, communal kitchen area.
So like she invites her friend for
Yeah.
birthday party or something and they can cook here.
They can cook here.
Ah, okay, nice. And then outside?
And then we can't go out there just yet to the new scaffolding,
Ah.
but also by September you'll be able to have access. So
Okay.
if anything changes, we'll let the student know. So now,
Okay.
also get to see the view of the London skyline.
Nice. And this is like a private
Yeah,
For-
the
for-
individual studies.
study or something.
This is for private to study.
This is individual study spaces. Yeah.
Study space-nya.
So they don't need to book, they can use it whenever it's
Yeah,
ready.
okay. Nice.
Thank you.
It's really nice.
Thank you.
You also live here or
No, I don't live
you
here. I
only
here.
work?
And then we have the laundry room, which is here, facility.
Ah, laboratory. Really?
So it's 340 for wash, these are the wash machine, and then 190 for dry, these are the dryers.
Ah, okay.
Okay?
So that for laundry is not free, yeah?
No. They
But
need
for
to
the
have-
room, not extra charge like energy
No,
or
energy,
gas
gas is included.
included.
Yes,
So everything included.
yes.
Just for laundry.
Laundry, no.
Nice room. Kita sudah selesai room tour buat apartemen di sini. Yang satu apartemennya namanya The Hive. Dan di sini tuh semua juga gay friendly. So thank you for watching. Sampai ketemu di room tour berikutnya. Kita masih ada satu room tour lagi ke daerah yang kemarin pergi Lemon Strasse juga, Lemon Street. Demon Street. Mau kemana kita?